News just in, taking a cue from the BJP state governments in Maharashtra and Rajasthan, the Raman Singh government in Chhattisgarh has now ordered for 8-day meat ban in the state from 10 September to the 17th. The order states that because of the week-long Jain festival Prayushan and because of Ganesh Chaturthi on the 17th, the meat shop owners can keep their shops shut. They shouldn't sell during this period. NDTV's Siddharth Ranjan Das now joins us for more on that. Siddharth, are they saying that they were inspired by what's happening in Maharashtra?
Well, in fact, the government right now is very tight-lipped. All we have is the order that was given by the municipal corporations to the shops locally. As of now, what we get to know that, in a very low key that this has been imposed. Most of the officials and even shopkeepers were not aware of this. Silently, the order was passed, and today, in fact, the effect of the ban can be seen. In Raipur, the capital of Chhattisgarh, most of the meat shops selling mutton, chicken are shut. And as the order states that, for these 8 days, you cannot sell meat at all in the state. The reason is the festival, the Jain festival and the Ganesh Chaturthi. But in case a person is found selling meat, during this period, the order also threatens that legal action can be taken against that person. And to ensure that this ban on meat is effective in the state, the officials will be actually patrolling of the municipal corporation to ensure that this ban is successful. Surprisingly, this is the first time in the history of Chhattisgarh, which was formed in the year 2000, that such a ban has been imposed for a period. And also given the fact that, this has surprised a lot of people of Chhattisgarh, because the population is not very significant of Jains in this state. And certainly it is dominated by tribals and the Muslim community, which actually, consumes a lot of meat. So this order has come as a surprise and rather shock to a lot of meat lovers in the state. But at the moment, the government maintaining low-key, no official is coming up. But yes, we have the official order which states all of the things that I've told you. And this ban will be in effect until 17th of this month in Chhattisgarh after Maharashtra and Rajasthan. That's it.
Siddharth Ranjan Das reporting that we are, of course, going to have many more political reactions to that developing story.